Hi, this is Litre from Tailor Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Hyundai ix35, stock number 6163. It's ran from 06/2013 to 01/2016. It has a G4NT 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NT 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,